Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making method that's going to pay you around $1 every single day by doing this passive method that I'm going to show you in today's video. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money with this application. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the application right here, guys, and I'm going to leave the links down in the description of this video so you can get started right away with today's method. And I'm going to show you how you can actually automate this one application. So this is a really simple and easy to use application, guys. It is straightforward, and all you got to do is just use one button, and it's going to be right here after this minute and 30 seconds is over, guys. So you can claim every 5 minutes on this one application alone and get around 350 Satoshi every time you claim. So I'm going to show you some cool ways to make money with this application itself. So there is a couple of downfalls on this application, but if this application lasts for quite some time, so it says you can withdraw the amount after you reach the minimum payout limit. Now the minimum payout limit is 0.01 Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you that right here, how much that is. So as you can see right here, guys, 0.01 Bitcoin is around $100. You might be like, Edward, why do I actually have to use this application? It's going to take forever to make some money. Well, I'm going to show you how you can actually automate this and actually make it 100% passive, just in case you won't be wasting your time on this application. If you have a farming phone, guys, I'm going to show you how this works and how you can make this 100% passive, so you won't be wasting your time. So now let me show you how this application actually works with this. So as you can see right here, guys, I just got through getting a $350 increase on my balance because I claimed the BTC, and this is all you got to do, guys. So let me show you. Claim BTC, and now you got to wait that 5 minutes, and then it will be deposited inside of your account. As you can see, you only get a maximum of 50 claims per day, I believe. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do this right now, 100% passive, 50 times. So we're going to be using this application right here called ClickMates, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description so you can actually download this on your Android phone. I believe this is not on the Apple devices, guys, but you can find something similar to this actual application. So once you actually download it, once you actually open it up, go to where it says record mode, and I'm going to show you how you can actually use this to make that application passive. So now I'm at 78,850 Satoshis and Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you a cool way to actually make some money and show you proof that this is going to pay around $1 every single day. So let's bring out the calculator real quick. So if we're going to get 350 Satoshis every 5 minutes, we're going to times that by 50 because we have 50 claims you can do every single day. So 350 per claim times 50 will equal 17,500 Satoshis right there, guys. So if we head over to the calculator or the converter of Satoshis to USD converter, 17,500 Satoshis is going to equal around $1.63 USD, guys. So this is a really profitable application where you can start to make some money with this method. So I'm going to show you how you can actually automate this and start making some passive income with doing absolutely nothing. So now the next step we're going to do is just click on the red button to restart recording. So now since we have this screen right here, guys, all we got to do is just click on the claim button once, click on it twice, and let the timer run out, guys. So as soon as it goes back to 0, we get our tokens. I'm going to show you the next step. So as you can see, it's already at 4 seconds, guys. So now what we got to do is just wait another 30 seconds just in case, like this advertisement right here. So we just need to keep counting so we can go 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now do not click on this exit right here, guys. Click on this button that looks like a backspace. So click on that once, click on that one more time just in case, and then now you can stop this bot. Now you're officially back up on this screen, and now we can stop it, and now we have finished. So before we actually click on the start button to actually let this bot do its thing, now the next step I want to show you is just to save the script that we have just created for this application itself. So click on the three lines right there at the bottom, go to options, save, and we're gonna save as. And what we're gonna save it as is just put in anything, guys. You can do let's do $1 bot. So we can do a dollar bot. So now we just saved it. Now before we actually save again, where it says repeat counts, just type in like 50. So we can repeat it 50 times since that's going to be our daily limit. Click on save once it's done. Now we have saved it. Now we can go back to the application and let it do its thing. So now all we gotta do is just click on the start button. It might take a couple of seconds to start up because before I actually clicked on the record button, I was talking for a couple of seconds. So now let's just click on play and see what happens. So I guess, as you can see, it just got through claiming this right here, guys. So now we just gotta wait those that full 5 minutes, and then after that wait the other 30 seconds that we added on top of that, just to make sure it's gonna exit out of the actual advertisement that might show up after this timer is completed. So now that is 100% passive to make $1 every single day, or even more than $1 every single day with this one money making application, guys. And I know the cash out is gonna be quite some time. So as you can see, guys, I'm actually inside of a Discord, and I wanted to show you something. I want to show you that I have recently just created this Discord channel that you can be a part of. It has different channels inside of it, like chit chat, media share, memes, introductions, daily motivation. And look at all of these videos, guys, about daily motivation. Look at this. You can get motivated to make some money if you come inside of this Discord, and let's talk about that money as well, guys. You can see that there is people in here talking about money. Look at Cameron over there saying that that's cool, and yup, paid $5 for clicks. And so you can see different people in here talking about different ways to make money, and I'm also inside of here showing you guys new ways to make money before I even make a video about them. So if we come over here to the top, you can see that I talked about this application yesterday, and you can be a part of it and get some new information and some information before I even put it up on YouTube. So make sure you click on that link down in the description of this video so you can be a part of the Discord channel and start to learn different ways to make money online and get started right away and start talking to people that have the same mindset as you. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.